Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. In this video, we will discuss the small caps on our radar. We have another company that we want you to put on your radar for Thursday's session. It has been a little bit since we last took a look at a defense company. We love this sector and always excited to put an undiscovered company on your plate so that you can research it. Pull up SYNX immediately. The company put out some news today that you can read down below. The news had a major impact, sending SYNX exploding double digits and almost breaching the $4 level. SYNX has a great story behind it. Since its inception, the company has achieved over $150 million in revenue from iconic government defense institutions like the CIA, U.S. Army, and Marine Corps. It is estimated that roughly 17% of returning veterans suffer from some form of hearing loss. Just in March, 250,000 vets reached a $6 billion settlement of a class action lawsuit alleging popular earplugs used in the Iraq and Afghanistan wars were faulty. The products are compatible with most radios, smartphones, and intercom systems, including encrypted channels used by tactical and law enforcement units. SYNX headsets are used by elite U.S. and international warfighters, all levels of law enforcement, including federal, state, and local and international public safety and security forces. SYNX headset systems protect against impulse and steady-state noises while enabling the user to hear ambient noises via hear-through functionality and maintain 360-degree situational awareness. Working closely with end users, SYNX integrates feedback from the field into all of its solutions. Compatible with standard military and law enforcement radios and available with a broad range of unique accessories, SYNX headsets can be used in any mission setting: mounted, dismounted, maritime, airborne, or low-vis operations. SYNX solutions provide users with an unparalleled operational edge. SYNX is committed to constant innovation and improvement of products and ideas to meet the continually changing requirements of operators. Among the highlights, SYNX has received roughly $4 million in orders from the IDF and Israeli police since the start of the war. The company has estimated revenues for the 6 months ended June 30th to be approximately 5.31 million, highlighting tremendous growth. SYNX secures multiple orders from U.S. federal and law enforcement organizations of its new tactical system. Revenues for the year ending December 31st, 2023 increased to $7.6 million, up 5% from the previous year, reflecting the company's ongoing expansion and product adoption. Preliminary unaudited revenue for the 3 months ending March 31st, 2024, estimated at $3.525 million, representing an estimated increase of more than 100% compared to the same period in 2023. According to FinViz, the float is just 1.1 million shares. But don't just take our word for it. Start your research. To read our full report on SYNX, click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com/LP/YouTube and sign up with your email. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Moving on, in our last video, we covered TKNO. This is Alpha Technova. It had an almost $15 million insider buy in time was just a $1 stock. That was one of the biggest insider buys I've seen in a small cap stock in a long time. That day, the stock dipped to as low as $1.77. Today, TKNO hit $3.75. Congrats to all who watched and banked. Wednesday was an ugly day for the overall stock market. Tesla and Alphabet reported disappointing earnings, and that brought the entire market down. SPY was down over 2%. QQQ was down over 3.5%. The Dow was down over 1%, and small caps IWM was down over 2%. The good news is that there are still opportunities in small caps with catalysts and news in play like SYNX. We also like VKTX. Shares of Viking Therapeutics rose over 11% in post-market trading Wednesday after the company issued updates on its obesity and NASH drug candidates along with its Q2 earnings report. Viking said it plans to advance its drug candidate VK2735 into phase 3 testing for the treatment of obesity with an end of phase 2 meeting with the FDA expected later this year. The company also expects to initiate a phase 2 study for an oral formulation of the drug this year, according to a statement. The biotech company also plans to hold an end of phase 2 meeting with the FDA this year for its drug candidate VK2809 for the treatment of biopsy-confirmed NASH and fibrosis. Viking also expects to report phase 1 data for its drug VK0214 in the treatment of X-linked dystrophy later this year. Lastly, BHVN. Morgan Stanley today issued an overweight rating. You can see that right here. And they gave the stock a $58 price target. Closed today at $38.64. What has got us interested in BHVN was all this insider buying. We had this month $1 million insider buy at $35.67, $33.58. The director, chief scientific officer, this director, John W. Childs, he's been accumulating stock. He's now up to over 2.3 million shares. A lot of insider buying, and that's what has got us interested. And again, all this was from $41 all the way down to $18.44. So he's been picking up the stock all over the place, accumulating a very big position. This one is certainly one that you should put on your radar. And lastly, most important, 12.92% of the float is short. So you got insider buying, shorts betting against the company. You got all the makings of a short squeeze. And as always, good luck to all except the shorts. I will also be scanning the pre-market as I do each and every trading day. And if I see anything else, I will let subscribers know. That's why it's so important to sign up. And again, guys, it's completely free. However, Thursday's primary focus is SYNX. Make sure you read our full report and do your research. At Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We're looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. To get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com/LP/YouTube or sign up at insiderfinancial.com. No spam, your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up to see the level of research we do here at insiderfinancial.com and unsubscribe. Finally, thanks to Sure Thing Media for sponsoring this video on SYNX. Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. It is our opinion meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining us today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. Bye-bye.